Hey everybody, welcome back. So it's Monte, it's Algebra 2B, we're in SPV Math, and we're looking at week 31, the first week of May, May 3rd. So welcome back, and don't forget you can always go to our Teams page and look in the stream channel for all the old videos. Otherwise, go to the Blackboard. So let's get started. Alright, so we're up here and we're looking for the internet, then we're looking for digital tools, and then we're looking for Clever, then we're looking for Blackboard. Once we get to Blackboard, scroll through until you find our Algebra 2 with Monte. Boom. Now, anytime you want to see one of the old videos, they're all in the announcement pages along with our cheat sheet. Don't forget our cheat sheet because exponents and logarithms do have a workload of notes. Okay, all the videos from all the previous weeks, and we try to do one or two problems on every one of those. Okay, now there's nothing wrong with needing a video, especially when it comes to logarithms. So we're going to go to coursework, and we are in functions, exponents and logarithms, and today exponential graphs, logarithmic functions. So I was going to click on graphs here and see if natural base, we're not teaching natural base this year. So here is an exponential curve. Let's go to logarithms. Convert to a logarithm, graphing logarithmic functions right here. Okay, I thought we'd do a couple of these today because I want to show you. It seems like a lot of you either have the handheld version of the TI or you have the Wabbit already on your computer or the graphing calculator, okay, the Desmos. So let's get started. Okay, so we have our cheat sheet, and we're going to go to all of our assignments here. Okay, so we did good up here on inverse functions and radicals and square roots, and we moved on, and most of you did exponents and your characteristics of exponents. Logarithms are exponents. Okay, so we have key characteristics. So let's look at one of those real quick. Okay, when we see this function, 3, bigger than 1. Bigger than 1 is growth, less than 1, decay. So this is a growth function. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so go ahead and answer those. And yes, we want to leave. And then we did characteristics. Okay. And then we had a quiz, and let's just do one off the quiz, huh? Let's just pick question 3. Oh, it's the same. What are the odds that I would pick exactly the same question? Not likely. All right, so less than 1, decay, coming downhill. Whoa, careful. And the y-intercept, anything to the 0 power is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. The y-intercept. And you could have used a calculator for that, okay? All right. Submit. Okay, so now let's go to the next one, okay? In our quiz, logarithms are exponents. And I think this is where we're translating. Yes, write the logarithmic form. We have to go back and forth, okay? B to the x equals a, log base b of a equals x, okay? And it's like translating. It's like Spanish to English, English to Spanish, okay? So let's let's clear the canvas. And we're going to see if we can paste that in here. Perfect. Okay. Whoop. All right. So now we have, and I really like to use this example because we all know it. 2 to the 3rd power is 8, right? 2 times 2 times 2. 4 times 2, 8. Now, we want to convert that. In time, our goal is to be able to solve for the 3. 2 to what exponent is 8? Well, we know it's 3, but what if it was a hard one? How would we solve it? We have to have a way to rewrite this as x equals something. How do we do that? Well, until now in math, we haven't had a way. We could only solve it graphically or guess and check. All right, so here we go. 2 to the 3 power is equal to 8. We rewrite this in terms of the exponent. And we do that by writing log base 2 of 8 equals 3. Whoa, what did you just do? The number we're talking about, that's called the base. The number we're talking about is called the base. Okay, so log base 2 of 8. The answer, the solution, goes here. Log base 2 of 8 is equal to the exponent. The exponent. Serious. We want to translate so that we can get the exponent in terms of everything else. And then our calculator can be our friend because we have a logarithm button. All right? So now let's just do one more. I like this next one. 3 to what power is 9? 3 to what power? 2. 3 to the 2 power. 3 squared is 9. Now let's rewrite that. Log base 3 of 9 is equal to the exponent. Okay? And we just do a whole series of these. Translate, translate, translate. And on your cheat sheet, there's a whole group of them. 3 to the 5 power is 243. Log base 3 of 243 is 5. We're just translating English to Spanish, Spanish to English. From exponent form, what you and I know how to do, to logarithmic form. Okay? So let's go try our problem. 216 equals 6 to the 3 power. So the first thing we do is type in log. Now subscript. Log base 6 of, I had to use the arrow key so I could get big print, 216 is equal to the exponent 3. Okay? And that's a right answer. All right. So go through those series. They take about 10-15 minutes once you get the hang of translating. Again, if you need help, view the help button where they're literally translating back and forth the way I just did. All right. Now, some of you are really moving fast. And log is a graphing logarithmic functions. I just wanted to show you, depending on your calculator, okay, log base 5 of x. Well, if you have a handheld calculator, the TI or the Webbit, there is actually a log base button. Okay, so clear math. When you click math, you got to toggle all the way down until you see log base. Boom. Log base 5 arrow x. Okay, there's a log base button. So let's go to y equals, hit math, tog down until we get log base, and we want to put a 5, variable x, and we graph it. Okay, and then we can find the answers. Okay, so I wanted you to see that. Boom. Now, what if you don't have that calculator? You go, you click on graphing calculator, and now we're here. How do I find log base? Okay, so you type in log. Well, how do we do subscript? Okay, so let's hit the help key, and we need keyboard shortcuts. Let's see if we can find log base about subscript? Okay, shift. Okay, now open a graph, sub B. Okay, underscore, shift, dash. Shift 6 is an exponent. Okay, so we need subscript. Shift minus. Let's try shift minus. Shift minus 5 arrow X. There we go. So hopefully that was helpful. Again, we're not in a speed contest. We need you to take time and try several problems. And when you're translating, just like in a foreign language, it's not about the volume. It's about the practice. So, Algebra 2, have a great week. And let me know how I can help you and enjoy that warmer weather.